Friends, today I will show the high risk activity. You can see this is the GIS 200 kV, 220 kV GIS, and the bus bar is there, and you can see the barricade. So today we have performing the HB test, high voltage test. So this test, actually before start the test we have prepared the method statement, risk assessment, what is the risk is there, what is the hazards is there. So after then we have share to all the what is the hazards and what is the method statements. So before start the activity we have barricade. What is the safety control measure we have taken? You can see the posters, the area has barricaded. You can see the flag, one flag, and that area. So entire area we have barricaded. So it will be approx, you can think that it is the 5-meter area we have barricaded around the testing operation. So this is the process, because the first area barricaded, because why reason it is the barricaded? Because during testing activity we have passed through the C80 maximum voltage, and it is the stepwise we have first starting to 50 voltage to up to C80 voltage that we have passed through the inside the GIS bus bars and CT. You can see this is the testing kit. So before testing kit you have installed the all calibration reports we have checked, and testing kit is healthy, then we have to apply it for the testing activity. This is the below, you can see. So, and one more thing, this is the behind the one man lifter, the during working at height, that means below fixing for the activity. So man lifter used for the high tower activity. So this is the process high voltage. You can see the GIS, this is the 220 kV GIS. So enter activity high voltage activity. It is the after commissioning the HB test is required. So this test is very much risky, because if something will happen, what happen, that is the arc flash. If some PD is there, if some problem is there, then it may arc flash, it may fire, it may blast, so many things will be risk is there. So in that region, that area we have barricaded, and unauthorized persons are restricted in that area, and all operators are competent. Who is that? And only we have the that area we have the demarcated the exclusion zone, the arc exclusion zone. What is the red zone, what is the yellow zone, and what is the green zone? Only allowed the yellow zone, that area only operators are sitting and their operation the entire the test. And green zones we are standing the green zone, that area allowed for normal persons. And this is the HB test procedure, and this HB test procedure, it is high risk activity, and today we are conducting. So people's friends, you can see what is the process of HB test. Thank you.